Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating a very popular Goan masala called Recheado Masala, and it's used to make fish recheado. So to make this masala you need soak the chilies in 150 ml of vinegar for 2 hours. Fry the onion with 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Then place all the ingredients on the grinding stone one by one and start grinding it into a fine paste along with vinegar. Once you get fine textured paste, season it with salt and sugar and store it in an airtight container for later use. This masala is used to prepare popular Goan dish called fish recheado. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon as well. And if you have any questions and suggestions, you all can comment below. Till then, I will see you all next time in my next video. And thanks a lot once again for watching my videos and supporting my channel.